Okay, so from my previous class, you were trying to try out the Git commit.
Yes.
So what was the
Oh, I
error?
know.
What error are you getting, and what's the issue? Are you there?
I was trying. Yes, I'm there. So I was trying. Like,
You're trying to what?
and I was trying. I was able to like commit. How? I don't know.
How to
That commit.
commit? How to commit?
So,
Okay, so to commit is simple. You do git commit flag m, then your commit message inside a double quote. Is that what you did, or did you do something different?
I know it's the
So whenever you are writing a commit message, so you have to write git commit. Let me share my screen. So you have to write git commit, then followed by the, oh okay, we're already there. Okay, so like this one now. Okay, so yeah, let me share this
I
screen.
can't. Yes.
Okay, now so if I have git for here, let's say I need to initialize git because there is no git here. So if I even do git status, for example, oh sorry, so if I do git status, it's going to tell me that there is no git repository. Okay, so I need to initialize git, right? So the command is I'll do git init. All right, I hit enter. So once I initialize git like this, the next thing I will need to do is to git, so I need to add, okay, the git I want to do. Okay, I want to check, so I can do git log if I want to check what is happening. So the current branch, there is no commit yet. So then I want to add a file, so I'll add jacob.py file to this git. So I'll do git add, and I said that if you put full stop like this, it means everything. But if I do jacob, is I'm just specifying the one I want to add, right? So jacob.py like this. Okay, so this is a file, and hit enter. So I've added this file to git. So if I do git status now, okay, git status, now it's telling me that there's a new file called jacob, and then there's an untracked file. So this untracked file is the one that has not been added to the commit. Okay, and it's telling me that there's no commit yet. So, and then I'll now go to write git commit. So I'll do git commit flag m, and then inside this double quote is where I'm going to write my commit message. I can say operators in Python, because that's the last topic we talk about. So I say operators in Python. Please write whatever we are saying. Right, your brain is not a computer. Do you get? All right, so you can do git commit flag m and then hit enter. So you can see that I change one file, 100 instruction, create mode, and jacob to file. So if I now do git log now, it now showed me what is there. So this is the commit I just added, and I added it, my name and my email and the time that it was added, the date and time. So this is how git commit works. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Can we continue from where we stopped in our last class?
Yes, sir.